Hello and welcome to the second instalment of the Future Proofing Business Podcast series. Amanda here at Microchannel and I'm joined by Ryan Walker, our CRM Practice Manager.
Our topic today is the single source of truth. When information is siloed, it becomes nearly impossible to serve as a single point of data-based truth to all members of a business or an organisation. So, Ryan, what does a single source of truth really mean?
Well, it's pretty simple. It's a single place to gather all information about your particular customers. In today's business, you'll often see that companies have multiple systems carrying multiple different pieces of information in regards to a customer. Simple source of truth is for a particular user to log into a system and to see exactly what is going on with that particular customer from an operational standpoint, from a financial standpoint, and also from a customer service standpoint.
Okay. In the final episode of Microsoft's Modern Biz, Tech Behind the Makeover, you spoke about the Guardian Strata's project you worked on, and they had multiple outdated customer relationship management systems. What are some of the inefficiencies of organisations running multiple customer relationship management systems?
Well, one of the things is there's a definite lack of visibility and lack of clarity around your customer engagement. When you're running multiple systems, you'll obviously see that the time to service a customer is increased, as well as the information that you're giving out to your customers is sometimes incorrect and lacking. This is a result of different pieces of information being in different places and a user not having that visibility of that. So from time to time, you'll see obviously phoning into call centers and certain customers that there is a single source of truth. A bank is a good example of that. When you phone your bank, the bank will know when you last transacted with them, when you actually last gave them a call, and will have a single source of truth in regards to you as a customer.
Okay, and how do we fix those problems?
Our CRM is a fantastic way to fix those problems. In today's day and age, dynamic CRM scales, from SMB level right up to enterprise level. And most businesses today are looking at CRM being that central source of truth. CRM can control your sales life cycle, it can control your financial life cycle, as well as it can control your service life cycle. So straight away you have a central source of truth relating to one particular customer.
And how does having a singular source of truth really alleviate some of the stress of having data scattered everywhere across different locations and systems and organisations?
Well, I think the most important thing that it does is it elevates your customer experience. When a customer calls in, or transacts with you by any means, straight away you're able to get a complete 360-degree picture of that particular customer. You're able to leverage what's in CRM and see straight away when you last transacted, what particular problems are, and a complete history of the life cycle with that customer. What it also does in terms of a particular user and organization is it boosts productivity. Rather than logging onto 3 or 4 different solutions, then having to collate that information and present it back to your customer, what you're able to do is basically just log in straight away, which is more efficient, and basically it boosts your productivity. There's also cost savings in that as well, in the fact that you're not having to run siloed pieces of information, siloed solutions. You're like running one particular application that gives you the range and breadth of process and functionality to service your customer.
Thanks Ryan for your on-point responses and great insight on how to radically improve data visibility, employee productivity, and ultimately the customer experience. In our next podcast, we'll be covering the topic of mobility and business anywhere. You can also listen to our previous podcast titled Big Thinking for Small and Mid-sized Businesses in the channel or the comments below. If you have any questions on this topic, please talk to us at info@microchannel.com.au or check us out at microchannel.com.au. We look forward to having you join us again for another Business Anywhere podcast.